Hey, so if you're watching this video on the NEXUS dashboard, you've already gotten around to the fact that it's free of charge, it's free to use, and all of these things, and gotten to see how everything works. But I actually want to show you what makes NEXUS so powerful and why it's a tool that personally, after developing, I can't go a day without using. So the actual thing that makes NEXUS stand out so much, at least in my day-to-day operations managing my company, is the AI features that we've developed for it, which you can actually see going on in the background, right? So this means for a CRM, to put it in a nutshell, instead of you now needing to actively write all of the tasks and do all of the manual work yourself, or your members needing to put time into it, you can fully operate the entire CRM with just simple text prompts, and it's automatically going to pre-sort and put everything in the exact manner and way you essentially need it, saving you a bunch of time and a bunch of your team's time, and you just can put your mind at ease and focus on much more important tasks on your day-to-day. Okay, so I just want to draw your attention as to what happens when I click this small button on the NEXUS CRM dashboard. It is for premium users, so-called premium users. This is the only paid feature on the actual CRM. It's unlimited. However, free users get 3 free tries and prompts per day that they can use for whatever they need. So once I open this button here, you get to the NEXUS AI actual chatbot. So for example, instead of doing everything manually now, I can ask the AI to do the following now. So for example, add a deal to the pipeline called Project Y and make the deal value be 1000 USD and add a task for me to follow up with them next Tuesday and to do a demo meeting next Wednesday. Also, the deal is currently qualified. And now the AI is thinking, and here you can see it directly added this task over here. So I'll just minimize the NEXUS, the NEXUS chatbot. And you can see here on the live pipeline, it added a project called Y, and it also added 2 tasks. So it marked me a task to follow up with this person on January 20th, which is currently next Tuesday, like I asked it, and to also do a demo meeting with them on January 21st, which is the following Wednesday, as from the time when I'm actually recording this video. And obviously, if we want to do some tweaks, we can do them manually, or we can just ask the AI to do it as well. And we can add whatever we want to it or remove whatever we want from it as well. So we can just directly edit the probabilities from there or add whatever else. And that is like the primary features of the actual NEXUS bot. So what it's supposed to do, essentially, is super simple. It just does the things that you would normally with your team need to do manually. So clicking all these buttons, like adding a deal and all of these things like you normally would on a CRM, except you now don't need to do any of that actual manual jargon yourself. It just fully does it for you. And that's basically it. And if you want to try out the NEXUS CRM yourself, when you log in and you are marked as a free user in the beginning, you would see an option here somewhere on the screen that says subscriptions, in where you would be able to see and fully manage your subscriptions, right? Or alternatively, you can just go to your settings page once you become a registered user on salescompany.io, and you can manage your subscriptions directly over here. So for me, it says that it's a monthly plan, but the subscription history doesn't actually show since I'm on a developer account as we speak. And yeah, all of the information would be available here. You can give it a try right away. If you have some questions regarding NEXUS, you can also just directly go back here and head to the support page, drop any queries at all, or schedule a call directly with our team to answer anything, or you can just write to us on WhatsApp and email. I hope you are enjoying NEXUS and the array of its features and the way it integrates with Acquisition OS and the other products that we have at salescompany.io. With that being said, my name is August. I want to thank you for watching this video, and have a great one.